the technical team, the management of Eldoret City Marathon has decided to postpone the marathon till 26 June 2023. I want to ask the athletes that the registration will start also next Friday, next week. We are set, and we have started our meetings. We will be starting our meetings also for the organization of Eldoret City Marathon as from next week. As a retired athlete, I would like to see this marathon running for many years and be there for life, like any other marathon. And I will stand with them, and I will make sure that, and we will make sure that the marathon will continue the way we have been planning. And I want also to announce that we are negotiating with a new partner, and that is why the marathon was pushed to 25th, and that is Colasso right here, which is coming in handy so that the marathon will continue.